Hello, everybody. Hello, team. Hello, team. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, welcome to our life transformation journey. And today we have our day 18th. Yes, yes. Hello, everybody. Yes, Arohi. Nice to see you. Today is our day 18th. Yes, nice to see you, people. The time right now is 9:59 p.m. and we have people straight away dropping in with us. Yes, it's an amazing journey. Yes, Pooja, it's your 18th day as well. Very great to see that. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello Shank, hello Supriya, hello Pooja. Supriya's day 17, but you have got really consistent with that. I think, yes, only the initial times you missed something, and after that you're bang on time. Yes, Mehgul, awesome stuff. Shank, awesome to see you. Day 18 for you as well. Now it feels so good, right? So many of us, it's having day 18. Yes, Prince, it's your day 17. Hey, Sudhir, Somnath, and a lot of people now jumping in. Yes, and the time right now is 10:00 p.m. and yes, we are on time. We are back into action. And this is me, Tausif Sheikh, trying to be along with you people. And it has been our 18th day. Really proud of you guys. 18th day. That means something. That means if you wish, you can just do it. If you have a desire, you can do it. If you just show that I want to do it, then you will do it. No excuses matter, no matter what has happened in your past. But if you want to do it today, you can do it. And that is what is a living proof of you people, guys. And this is truly amazing. And one very great thing which everybody of you should take away from this, that the technique which we have applied to reach out so far, okay, you can apply this technique for basically adapting to anything new in your life. If you want to learn any new habit, guys, okay, no matter how tough that habit is or massive that habit is, no matter what you want to learn in your life, guys, you need to apply the same technique. And what does the technique say? In the 24 hours, define one fixed time when you would be doing that habit. Second approach is going to be like on a daily basis, at the same time performing that habit, repeated on the same time is very important. And now you have to keep doing it. And how you can get it better: attach your emotions, attach your feelings, attach all your senses. The more you would be performing your from your inner self, if that comes up, guys, then that is actually going to adapt, convert into your subconscious mind, and by that way you can apply to any new habit. And you need to understand that, guys, this technique which we applied is giving results, and independently also you can make it happen. And that is one really great of a journey, and which with we have reached here. So it has been awesome 3 weeks, guys. The initial 2 weeks we were all talking about mindset, how it works, conscious brain, subconscious brain, and a lot of internals about why people are not able to achieve whatever they want. We slowly straight away started removing, identifying these pixels, and then one by one we started like, okay, remove the negativity from your past, attach positivity, believe more about yourself, success affirmations happening on a regular basis. And this has been a great journey, and we have jumped into the third week. And the third week is becoming what we were born to become, attracting our dreams, attracting our desires. That's the third week we are into. And every day, guys, third week, I guess you guys might have become quite busy in the third week, right? But it is required, guys. It is required that you perform actions, then only your life will change. This is what we have been doing the third week. First, we understood how it is important to have goals, and not just important, it is mandatory to have goals. Without goals, you would run by society rules and you will have regret when you're at your deathbed. And we don't want that kind of a life. Nobody in this life transformation group deserves to live a mediocre life. No, guys, after knowing all this, when there is dedication, when there is commitment coming from your side, you will win. And this is what we defined: we will achieve our goals. It is mandatory to set our goals. That was the first step. Realize. Second important, the 4 pillars, the foundation of life, we identified that. Done. Third, very important, we started setting goals. We defined like what we want in like 5 years, 10 years, all your thing, imagination put on paper. massive. And then we know, guys, okay, if you have 10-year goals, how would it work? Your brain will relax. It's not possible. If it is 10 years, your brain will be like, okay, let me do it after some time, and you would not utilize your present. That's where we reworked on our strategy. What did we did? Out of all the goals which we have defined, we identified those set of goals which is mandatory for us to achieve right here in this year. Massive. What kicks you? Like, okay, you should not get sleep during nights, you should stretch late, wake up early. The triggers like that for you waking up in your life, guys, and that is truly awesome. We defined, we identified, we wrote down the reasons why it is a must. What happens if you're not? And that's where, guys, we are at that stage now. We defined even a concrete strategy plan of achieving the goals. Yesterday was that day, achieving the goals, and it was one massive up of peace, guys. Truly incredible. A step by step approach on a daily basis, visiting your goals, reading it, feeling it, dumping it in the subconscious mind at the same time, okay, and then visualizing it, emotionalizing it, now affirmations, attaching that to it. And after doing all this exercise, the thought process visualization is just halfway. The massive thing comes is action. Action, action. You take actions, you improve. You take one action, guys, and it will take your life from anywhere to anywhere. And we have been seeing it. Many people in this group as well, and in my previous season one as well, have taken these massive actions, and just in a matter of a few weeks, their life changed. And this is what we have been talking about, guys, and truly amazing. I would like to give a very warm thanks to everybody who has owned their lives, who understand what life means, and who is serious about their life. They doesn't want to just leave it out casually. And a grand thank you for all you people for taking ownership of your own life. And with this intention itself, guys, yesterday I gave one of a opportunity, like, okay, today maybe we might bring somebody online, okay, just to see how it is happening with you people. Okay, so I got in touch with some of the candidates today, okay, and out of that we got a chance to bring live one of a person. Her name is Pooja Inamdar, and like she has completed all the 18 days with us, okay, and she said like, okay, I'm pretty excited to come up here and speak it out and share the her views into it. So I would just like to bring her on, and let's see how your side of the things are. It's like daily just me coming up. Let's understand what that group is doing as well. Okay, so now Pooja, I'm just inviting you. Hope you are ready, okay? Don't last moment turn off, okay? That's going to be bad for me. Okay, chalo Pooja, let's get started. I'm adding you. Add, okay. The request is what one of our team member of our life transformation group season 2 has to say. Hello. Hey Pooja, hi. Nice seeing you.
Hey, hi.
Hello. Okay. So can you hear us? Hello, Poojas.
Yeah,
Hello.
Tausif, I can.
You can hear us? Okay, nice, Pooja. So
Yeah.
it's a great journey. It's like you also completing your 18 days. How does it feel, Pooja? How does it feel?
Actually, I'm like kind of very nervous. Like you're full of very energy. Every day you're showing up with lot of energy and all. So I become a bit nervous. But yeah, it was a great journey having with all of you guys also and with with you. And thank you so much for
Okay,
having
okay.
me
My
online with
pleasure.
you.
Thank you. My pleasure. My pleasure. Awesome stuff. It's like you people became so serious because of that. This entire program is having a meaning. Otherwise, had there been nobody, I would have talked to myself. So it's the credit goes to you for showing up, taking the responsibility of your life. Awesome stuff, Pooja. So what do you have to say today, Pooja? Are you working on your goals? How is it happening?
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pooja Inamdar. I have completed my MCA from Government College of Engineering, and right now I'm
Okay.
working in Tier 20 as a fresher.
Okay.
So
You are
yeah,
already working
about
somewhere.
you know what?
So
Yeah,
where did you say
I'm
you were
working
working?
somewhere as a fresher.
Okay, as a fresher.
TA that's there in Kharadi, Zone IT Park. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Super, super. Uh-huh. Keep going. Yes, keep
Okay.
going.
Yeah. Day before yesterday, we have a session like goal setting, and as a part of that session, I did some steps. Like a lot of us did some steps, like we finished the stuff. There are so many persons who are doing with along with you. So as a part
Hmm?
of that, I did something like personal goal setting,
Arey wow,
like
nice, nice.
I've completed my career goal settings also, and the thing is adventurous, and the last one was giving back to society. I think
Awesome,
that
Pooja.
yeah,
So great to see that. So great to see that.
thank you.
You have been regularly
Okay,
following,
thank
applying it. That's awesome. Now, guys, this is life changing. You taking the ownership of your life, taking up this paper, taking up the pen in your hand, and you writing your destiny. And Pooja is doing that. Awesome. I know many other people, but today she got the chance to actually show up. Awesome stuff, Pooja. Brilliant. Okay. So, how
okay.
is it
Thank you
feeling
so
like?
much, Sophie.
Yeah.
Okay, it's
Mm-hmm.
feeling like very great because you know what, lot of times we think our dreams, we think to achieve something, but as time passes, it vanishes, and somewhere,
Mm.
somewhat, we forget that dreams. So I think that yes,
Yes.
writing down that piece of paper will
Mm-hmm.
help us a lot, and that is what I'm doing with you. And I think that
Okay.
first of all, you know what, starting something with you, I would like to say all of you to clap ourselves. And
Yes, yes, yes.
why?
Awesome, guys. Awesome stuff, guys. Seriously, awesome
Thank you,
stuff. I was
Taufik,
really
and
shocked when.
thanks everybody.
Uh huh.
Everybody.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you,
Okay, I
everyone.
think that why I said to clap yourselves because we have been consistent from 18 days, and I'm sure you will be there for all of us, and we will all be consistent throughout our journey. And if you want to achieve some success in life, the first step towards the
Yes. Yes.
achieving success is, I believe, consistency. That's what we are doing right now. And the next thing I would like to say over here that if you want to achieve something, just have dreams, like you are saying, visualize it, go for success affirmation, go for visualization, and all of many of us what do in the life that they don't think about the future, they don't think about their dreams and all. Why? Because they fear. So just come up your fears, just be flawless. Everyone has problems. Every problem has solution. But if there is no solution, then
Yes.
that is not a problem. So I think that you
Mm-hmm.
should not stuck in your problems. And
Mm-hmm.
I would like to say over here that if your one plan fails, go for the second. If your second plan fails, go for the third. If your third plan fails, go for, there is infinite numbers. So just don't be stuck somewhere. Everyone has, even Tausif has some problem, and
I have it,
even
man.
even
Seriously. Yes.
okay. So even
Yes.
he is having a lot of problems and showing up every day. If he is doing that much thing to all of us, so why not us? So that's what I want to say over here.
Those are
And
really big
I would
words,
like
Pooja.
to
Pooja,
become a
Pooja,
great.
Pooja. Okay. Pooja, wait. You're just going non-stop. Wait. Okay, that now, guys, that
Okay,
is
okay.
that's really awesome stuff, and that shows how big and deep she thinks. Okay, that's pretty wise, and like she understands the value of consistency. She understands the value of showing up every single day, and this is one great of a journey. I would really appreciate the thought process which you are carrying, Pooja, and this thought process is going to make you wonderful. Okay, and that is truly incredible. Fine, let's go ahead. Go ahead. What else you want to add? Brilliant stuff. Everybody
No,
has
that's
problems. I
fine.
have problems, guys. I have many problems. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
Pooja, go
correct.
ahead.
And every day Tausif is saying like you want to become a great, everyone want to become a great, nobody want to fail. Yes, I even don't want to fail. Nobody want to fail. If I ask Tausif also, do you want to fail?
No, 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 never. Never.
Yeah, that's right. So just don't be
Nobody
afraid to
wants.
fail. Cry a little, do some drama stuffs, and again drive back into life like a champ and rock to your life. So
That's
that's
good.
what I feel
That's good.
always. And one example I would like to give over here that APJ Abdul Kalam. One little girl come to towards Abdul Kalam and he asked her, how did you become great?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
mic is coming. I see. That's fine. That's fine.
I'm able to listen it.
So
Yes, continue. Yeah. So a girl came and asked,
okay.
how do you become great to APJ Kalam? Yes. Mm-hmm.
So Kalam this then said, well, I don't know how to become. I don't know how to become great, but just pursue your dreams. Do hard work. Be consistent. Consistent. And you know what? Don't afraid for problems, as I said earlier. So that's what Kalam is also saying. That's what Tausif is also saying. And I am very thankful to Tausif. I am very thankful to all of us guys that you are giving me chance over here. And I'm very happy. Actually, I you know what, I speak a lot, but today I'm kind of very nervous. So I think that that's it.
So you're
I
pretty good.
think
You're
that
doing
to
pretty
achieve
good.
success, okay. So
Okay.
achieving success, I think
Okay.
that consistency is must, and that's what I'm doing. And I'm trying to do that by, you know what, writing this stuff, being here for 18 days. Thank you.
Mhm. Awesome. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thanks.
Pooja, for your time. It was nice talking to you. Okay. So hope we would be continuing ahead in our journey. We would be doing like the entire package. We would be turning up in mornings next week. The fourth week is really going to be stretching our boundaries further. That's going to be something, guys. And I hope all the
Yes.
people in the house stay dedicated for that as well. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Thanks, Pooja. Thanks for showing up. Now that was something, and it was
Thank you,
pretty good,
Taufik.
girl. Okay. Thank you. Chalo. Bye bye. Okay, guys, okay. So that was Pooja, and like some great was coming, guys. And I know that on the other side, in right now 20, so many learnings, so much to give back to the society, and that's where this life transformation initiative, guys. I have been through my journey. The journey has been painful. Life has taught me a lot by knocking me down every single time, but then there were tough times, guys. I've told you some of my stories, snapshots. There were tough times, but you choose. I don't want to give up. You choose. I will rise every single time life knocks me down. And you take failure like a situation, not like a failure on you. You take it like a situation. Okay, something is not working right now, and what can you do to make it work? And one very great example which she specified of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like, you need to have dreams, and that's what we are doing. Goal achievement. I said the first step, become a child. The child does not know the limitations of the world. The world might say it's not possible, but a child in the heart doesn't know that it's not possible. Curious to explore, curious to learn, become that, guys. And the very great people of the world are big dreamers, are those who imagine, guys. This is what the world is changing because of such people who dare to dream big, not because of mediocre guys who adapt to the society rules. You name it all, guys, and these would be the people who would change their life. Awesome stuff, really awesome stuff. That was one thing. And after that, it means like consistent hard work, guys. Without hard work there is nothing. You need to work hard. Who said becoming successful is easy? No, it's not. You have to put a lot of efforts, guys. Failure comes for everybody. Life would be throwing a lot of challenges for everybody, but those who win are those people who will make way through these challenges. And people say that, every successful person says that, guys. So what I am speaking out, it's my experience, plus I have learned from a lot of people, guys. I am having my personal coaches and my mentors in life. I am having my books as my support. I am having my team members, my leads, a lot of people. So what you see right now is Tausif after consuming a lot of knowledge, and I still know there is a long way to go, guys. Believe it. No matter how much you know, it's not enough. You have to keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, and then you will realize how great this life is, how amazing this life is, and how much you can extract from this life. And let me tell you, you have the potential, I have the potential, everybody has the potential, and that what makes us great. This is really incredible, and it was great talking to you, Pooja. A true different side of things, and knowing it, like, okay, people are that broad minded. And one of this initiative, guys, I know that everybody of us. Yes, Pooja. Pooja says thanks to all. Yes, thanks, Pooja, for showing up. It needs even courage to show up, guys. That's really massive. Highly appreciable. Okay. And now, guys, this was one of the reason that I knew everybody has the potential. All of the human has the potential. The thing is, people are not tapping it down. And with that initiative, I started these daily life transformation journey, because I want to make your power awaken. I want to touch you, guys, and arise to you to your true potential, the best upgraded version of yours. And you know what, slowly that is happening. I'm getting messages, I'm seeing people who are changing, and I feel that I am accomplishing what I want. And this is just a beginning, guys. And let me tell you, my target is not you people. My target is those people who